Merry meet everyone. This is Shiv Shakti from Goddess Breath, and I'm here to give you your weekly reading. I hope you had a lovely weekend. My weekend has been a little challenging because I've been writing, but it was exciting because new avenues in the mind have opened up. So, yes, in a way, it was a very challenging and exciting weekend. I hope you had a great time too. Now, for the week, Monday and Tuesday. The Seven of Pentacles tells us that, we've got to wait a second. We've got to figure out what's actually going on around us. We've got to look at everything. But don't try and be Sherlock Holmes. Don't try and find out, as in don't try and, deduce things. Basically, just step back and look at stuff. Because there is so much going on. And just knowing things around you will make a difference in your life because of the simple reason that it comes to your awareness, and once it comes to your awareness, automatically you start moving in that awareness, and once you start moving in an awareness, it just becomes so much easier to understand and to accept results that come by. Otherwise, there is a chance of a good amount of good fortune coming into your life. It could be from any space of your life. But I would just say Monday and Tuesday are not action days. They are just waiting and looking at what's happening days. And these days, leading to Wednesday, which is the Page of Wands, is basically coming to a space where, you have a lot of ideas and now it's time to put the ideas out. But don't be very hurt or anything if people say, yeah, nice idea, very cool, don't worry. But don't take you as seriously as you would wish to be taken. Because the thing is, your ideas right now are in the novice form. They are very, very fresh, very, very new. But the thing is that they are not well planned yet. It's just the first round of ideas. So don't worry about that and work more and more on those ideas. It is very important for you to add a physical movement regime in your life. Be it the gym, be it yoga, be it Tai Chi, or just a simple run. It's very important for you to do that because your energies, are waiting for you to explore them. They're really, really waiting. They're waiting for you to just burst into a run or burst into a dance. It could be anything, but it's very important that you do that. Also, another thing to balance this out is meditation. It is important for you to start meditating as well. I know I've said this many times, but this is coming up to me again and again, that you really need to meditate. Because you have an explosive mindset about various things, and when it's not accepted, you are not the best person to deal with. That happens to a lot of us. But the fact is, meditation is important. Another thing that I'm being told over here is try and work with crystals. Just like wear a crystal on you, or just keep a crystal in your wallet, or just keep something with you. It's very important that happen, because it is going to ground you and it's going to amplify what needs to be amplified within you. Okay? And coming to Thursday and Friday, it is the Empress. It is one of the most beautiful cards. It is one of the most abundant cards. So there is a lot of abundance coming to you, be it money, be it emotion, be it even a pregnancy. And now pregnancy does not always mean a baby pregnancy. It could mean an idea pregnancy. You're pregnant with an idea. You are ready to start going forward and really doing something that you really need to do. So there is a lot of good fortune. Also, there could be an older woman in your life who is actually supposedly someone who's going to bring you a lot of luck. Try figuring that out. If you're taking a weekend off, take a weekend off in nature. Not just it's basically green, a lot of green. Take care of your diet, take care of your blood, very important. Eat a lot of fruit, a lot of fruit. And feed animals if you can. That will really make a difference on Thursday and Friday. These are very important messages that have come up. And finally, the tree magic card. It's a dove tree. It says blessings. Love and tenderness prepare you to enjoy the benefits of a new opportunity. A dove tree actually signifies blessings coming to you, but not just that, it also signifies love coming into your life. It signifies, that true love is around the corner. Now again, everybody thinks of true love as just a man and a woman. No, the project that you really want to do in your life is true love for you, isn't it? You're very passionate about it. Maybe you want to read a book, that you've been waiting to read for the longest time, because it's just a beautiful book, and maybe you read it once but you want to read it again. So this basically is telling you about that. Something that you really, really love, really passionate about, that is coming into your life, and it is an opportunity for you to open your mind out even more. And it's a 3, it's a magical number. The Empress and the Dove card both are very, very much the same number, and in a way they both talk about the same thing. They talk about blessings, and they talk about fertility, and they talk about trust, and they talk about fidelity, and they talk about blessings basically. So the entire week has this energy to it, the blessing energy to it. Whatever you do will turn into an absolutely beautiful blessing. It will. So Monday and Tuesday, whether you're waiting and not taking action, or Wednesday, whether you're making your plans and realizing that it's okay, we're just about getting started, or Thursday and Friday, where you are receiving the blessings, where you're being open to receive the blessings. All of it is a very, very special week. The energy is very, very strong. It is fire energy. Although it is a lot of water and emotion, there is still a very strong fire energy here. So I would suggest that you guys just settle in and just step back and observe what's happening in the week, and that is going to bring you a lot of understanding about a lot of things. I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you on the weekend. Bye bye. Love you.